Well, I made it home from work and my apartment is super clean, looking nice. I picked up all my toys. So I'm going to get settled in at my desk and work on, this is my ballet dancer planner, and I have some other stuff that I need to put in there. For example, I'm thinking of coming out with one for Latin ballroom because I'm just loving me some paso doble and the cha-cha, and I've always wanted to do a competition, so I'll talk a little bit more about that, but that is what I'm going to work on. All right, so I have decided to start getting ready for my ballet classes sooner rather than later because I'm trying to get out of the habit of doing things last minute. So this is what I was able to find in my dance trunk and some of my cupboards. And I realized that I have enough things for 3 different dance bags. And the idea behind this is I would actually like to start color coordinating my bags. And I've been noticing that sometimes I won't really feel like walking around with everything. So I wanted to bring out another bag that is a little bit smaller and something that I can just pick up. And if I wanted to wear a pink outfit to class, that would look really cute with that, and a white one, and my usual black one that I wear. And then I also have a habit of wearing fanny packs. And the fanny pack that I have, it can barely hold anything. So I have this little duffel puffy bag here that I have from last year. And I'm going to sort out all of these things so that I'm not scrambling after work to get ready for class. And so that I also don't need to switch items in any of my bags. So I just want to be able to have everything in one place and be relaxed after work and ready to go for my class, because the last thing I want to do is to feel all over the place. So we are working on that. So the only thing that I don't have doubles or triplets of are my point shoes, and yeah, that's about it. So I have a few different pairs of ballet flats. And I've worn this once before. This is So Danka. And I think what happened with this was that it was either too small, or for some reason I just put it in my trunk and it disappeared for a while. And I probably forgot about it. So I'm going to pull out some of the other things that I have. And the really great thing is that I found that I have duplicates of my toe covers. And this, if I have anything in my dance bag with my point shoes, it's this. This is what I need for my big toes, and then toe tape. So that's the bare minimum. Now, I probably won't be getting any gel covers, or any more, I should say, but I do have these, and it is more of like a thin gel insert, but my thick gel inserts, I think that's in, yes, so I just washed these. These are the ones that are my favorites. So I might need to try and look those up again and see where they are and where I can find them. But that is how I'll be getting ready for ballet.